In the light of the current crisis and the fact that we all have quarantined at home, we have nothing much to do other than to stare at a TV screen, phones, laptops. Not only this lockdown has turned our world upside down, but it has also made us neglect a lot of things which are very crucial for our lifestyle. While we all are looking for ways to pass our time and do something productive, we have lost track of a lot of things. Apart from being hooked to our digital gadgets, we have lost track of our time and have also started skipping meals or are binge eating most of the time. Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can get rid of your dark circles naturally at your home. For the first remedy, we'll be only requiring two ingredients. First, aloe vera gel, and next is vitamin E capsules. Take a tiny amount of aloe vera gel and mix one vitamin E capsule to it. Blend the mixture thoroughly with your finger and apply it in the area under your eyes. Now as you can see, the mixture is ready. Apply it in the area under your eyes. Now don't forget to massage it for a minute or two. Now leave it for overnight and wash your face early in the morning. For the second remedy, you only require one ingredient, potato juice. Now how to prepare potato juice? Take 2 to 3 fresh potatoes and grate them. Now take the grated potatoes over a linen cloth and squeeze them and you'll get your fresh potato juice ready. You can either take an earbud or a cotton ball, dip it inside the potato juice and gently apply it in the area under your eyes. Now use your fingertips to gently massage this. Leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. Apart from these remedies, here are a few more tips you need to follow. Tip number 1, drink plenty of water. Water is the key to all your problems. Water does not only flushes out toxins from your body, but it also reduces the salt concentration around the eye area, which in turn help reduce the dark circles. Tip number 2, 8 hours of sleep is must. Lack of sleep is one of the main reasons one develops heavy eye bag. The easiest and the most natural way to get rid of dark circles is by treating yourself with proper 8 to 9 hours of sleep. A proper and an adequate amount of rest will not only take all the discomfort from your body, but will also replenish your skin. So that's all for today's video. Try out these natural remedies at your home and I'm pretty sure you'll get rid of the dark circles in a week. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time we meet, stay safe, stay healthy.